In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 2, exercise 9.1, circle. Observe this question. Prove that if the chords of congruent circles subtended equal angles at their centers, then the chords are equal. Observe, we already completed one question. It is just opposite of this one. Observe this one. We are having two congruent circle. Congruent means both circles are what? Equal. Equal in shape and size. If chords of congruent circle, observe this one. If chords means what? We studied already. What? Chord is the line segment joining two points of a circumference of a circle. Chord is what? Line segment. In this circle MN, in which PQ, they are what? MN and PQ are what? Line segment, and they are what? Chords. So what we can say, chords are line segment joining two points of a circumference of a circle. So if chords of a congruent circles, so MN and PQ are what? Chords subtended equal angles at their centers, then the chords are equal. Subtended, from these chords we are getting angle at center is what? MON and PO''Q. From these chords we are having angle MON PO''Q, subtended angle. If chords of a congruent circles subtended equal angles at their center, this angle and this angle both are equal. This thing we are having in this question. Then the chords are equal. Chords subtended angle at the center is what? Equal. Then these chords are equal. This thing we want to prove. So in the question we are having given things MN and PQ are two chords of congruent circle such that angles subtended by these chords at the centers O and O' of the circles are equal. Simple. MN and PQ are chords and angles subtended from these chords are what? MO and PO''Q. So these angles are equal. This thing we are having in the question. Angle MON equal to angle PO''Q. This thing we are having in the question. Now we want to prove. What things we want to prove? Then the chords are equal. It means MN equal to PQ we want to prove. So how we will prove? Observe. What about its proof? In triangle, two triangles MON, in triangle MON, and triangle another one PO''Q. Clear? In these two triangles, what things we have? We want to prove congruent of these two triangles. So in these two triangles MO, NO, PO'', these are what? Radius. And both triangles are what? Congruent. It means MO equal to NO equal to PO' equal to QO'. So what we can say? Once we take these two triangles, then MO equal to what? PO'. MO equal to PO'. Why? Radii of these are what? Radii of congruent circle. Radii of congruent circle. So this thing we are having. Clear? Now another one NO equal to QO'. What? Radii of congruent circle. Clear? MO for this one and this one, these two triangles we want to prove congruence. So MO equal to PO dash, NO equal to what? QO dash. They are what? Radii of congruent circle. Now one thing required to prove congruence, we are having angles at centers are both are what? Equal. Angle MON equal to angle PO dash Q. And this thing we are having in the question given. So three things we obtained and three things are equal for both the triangles. So we can say triangle MON is congruent of triangle PO dash Q. MON, these two triangles we proved congruence by side angle side, SAS, side angle side, by side angle side congruence rule. By side angle side congruence rule we proved these two triangles are what? Congruent. Clear? So what we can say, we proved these two triangles are congruent. It means corresponding parts of these two triangles will be equal. So we can say MN equal to PQY by CPCT. And these things we want to prove CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. By CPCT we proved that M1 equal to PQ, and this thing we want to prove. So we proved, hence proved. This is the proof for this question. Clear? By CPCT we proved these two triangles are congruent. So this MN side of this triangle will be equal to this one, and this thing we want, and by CPCT we proved this one. Observe again, in this question we are having two congruent triangles and angles subtended from the chords of these two triangles, these two circles, chords of these two chords, angle subtended at the centers are equal. Then these chords are equal, this thing we want to prove. So given things, angle subtended from these two chords are what? Equal. This thing we are having in the question. We want to prove these two chords are equal. This thing we want to prove. So we are taking these two triangles, and once we observe these two triangles, we want to prove congruence. So MN, NO, PO dash, QO dash. These are what? Radii of the congruent triangles. So MN equal to PO dash, NO equal to QO dash. And this angle is given. So three things we observed. So from side angle side congruence rule we can say these two triangles are congruent. So by CPCT we can say MN equal to PQ, and this thing we want to prove, we proved. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.